Grammy-winning artist Shaggy recently dropped the video for his single That's Life, which is produced by his fellow collaborator and friend Sting. The track has received the thumbs up from music lovers, as some describe the single as refreshing music and exactly what the music industry needs.
That's life. That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, shot down in May. But I know I'm gonna change that too. When I'm back on top in June.
The diamond-selling artist is set to be honored by Brown University in the United States. Shaggy will receive an honorary Doctor of Fine Arts degree from the university. The artist is listed among 9 candidates who will be bestowed with honorary degrees during the university's commencement and reunion weekend. The annual presentations have been a tradition since 1769 and acknowledge recipients who have made a tremendous impact in government, public health, the arts, global affairs, science, and technology. Among the recipients this year is Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives Nancy Pelosi. The commencement and reunion weekend is scheduled for May 27 to 29. Popular sound system Code Red recently celebrated their historic win in Birmingham with an official celebratory party at the Black State headquarters in Kingston. The event saw industry players, artists, and celebrities including Usain Bolt coming to show support for the champion sound system. At the event, Code Red's team members showed off their winning trophy to fans who also got the opportunity to share in the moment with them. Code Red are happy to be back in Jamaica celebrating the win. In an interview with E-Prime, Code Red winners DJ Lank and Chris Diamond shared details on the competition.
We're there and we are representing. It's a great feeling. You see me left from Birmingham, we're there at Jamaica. Mad thing. It's a great feeling. We're the world champion and we brought the trophy back to Jamaica. Represent reggae music, represent the culture, represent the island. So Code Red Sound, the world champion, like she said, the last world champion.
We've been preparing for years. From Boom Clash we said we're going for that world clash, that title. And then it was supposed to be in 2020 and then, pandemic. So a couple more years to prepare some more and it worked out.
Code Red sound system started back in 2001 as part of the wave of new sounds to emerge in the post-90s dancehall and reggae music scene. Rapper Young Thug was denied bond at a hearing on Wednesday following new drugs and illegal firearms charges. The state's prosecutor had recommended that the rapper be denied bond, arguing that he poses a flight risk due to his considerable resources. The Atlanta rapper also faces an additional felony charge of participating in criminal street gang activity within the indictment and was hit with 7 new felony charges outside the indictment after a raid on his house during his Monday arrest. Young Thug is known for the tracks like Go Crazy, Friends, and Digits, among others. I'm Deirdre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.